Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Okta for verifying sign-in and session policies. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Okta login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Click on the Next button. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your mobile device or email. Once authenticated, you will be directed to the Okta dashboard. Locate the application or service for which you want to verify sign-in and session policies. Select the application icon to access its settings. In the application settings, look for the Security or Policies tab. Click on the Security or Policies tab to view the current settings. Review the sign-in policies listed on the page. Make sure to check the details for session policies as well. If changes are necessary, make them as required. Confirm any changes by following the prompts on the screen. Once you've verified and updated the policies, log out of Okta. Close your browser to ensure your session is secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.